Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Coach Parker top handle bag. Okay guys, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking another Coach unboxing. But yes, right now for some reason I am just absolutely loving Coach. But I am hoping that this is my last purchase for the year. Now the bag that we're about to unbox, I've been in love with since Coach released it. But for some reason, there was just always something keeping me from making the purchase. I've placed this bag in my cart so many times, I've lost count. But earlier this week, I decided to look on YouTube if I saw anybody unboxing it because I just wanted to see what it would look like on another person. I wanted to see another person carrying it. And I did find an unboxing. Well, not an unboxing, a review by Imani Bailey, I believe her name is. I'll link the video that I'm talking about below. And that was the video that convinced me, yes, I definitely need this bag in my life. So I went ahead and purchased it same day. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbox this bag. So this is the packaging. And I've never had anything in the Coach gift wrapping before, and I don't know why, because I quite like it. Kind of makes me sad that I've never actually got any of my other bags gift wrapped. And this is the bag. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, let me undo all this wrapping and then we'll talk about it. I definitely didn't forget my handy dandy scissors this time. Okay guys, I've not looked at this bag since I got it, so I'm just looking it over. Alright, so here she is, and as you can see, I believe this is nappa leather. It does feature the quilting. We have the Coach signature turnlock. Has a top handle and a removable strap. Let's have a look at the inside. So we do have that microfiber lining. We have one big pocket here, and we have a smaller slip compartment to the front. I wonder if that can fit my phone. my phone is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And it does fit. We do have one slip pocket here and one zipped pocket to the back. And that's what she looks like. I will do some mod shots for you so we can see what she looks like on. Okay guys, so I got this bag on sale. It was on sale for $225. I paid a total of $239 when taxes were added, and it was originally $450. Now that is a good deal because this bag looks way more expensive than it is. Okay guys, if you would like me to do a what fits in this bag, please leave that in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I post. Until next time, bye.